Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up Greenworks Optimow S. And to do this, first we're gonna go through connecting the charging station and the boundary wire, and then after that we're gonna pair our Optimow S with Android smartphone app. So now let's go through the charging station. And you will need the boundary wire and the power cable. Don't connect the power cable yet, because first we'll need to go through the boundary wire. And you might ask what is the boundary wire? You basically restrict the area that you want the lawnmower to go through with that wire. That means you can either dig it out and make like a area with that wire, or you can place it on the surface with and then pin them to the ground. And for the first time it's recommended to actually pin them onto the ground, so you can adjust it if you've made it wrong, and after that you can try dig it in. So now to actually connect the boundary wire with our charging station, we'll need to place it, for example, like that. It can go in, okay, it can go right there, and then you'll need one of these that should come with the package, and just close the wire like that, and you can also cut it out like I have right there, and then close the pin and connect them into those slots right here. So for example, if the boundary wire is coming on from this side, it needs to be connected right here, and in case it goes from that side, it needs to be connected right here. And that would be actually it. Only thing left to do is connect the power cable to the charging port right there, and our charging station is set up. I know I'm doing it inside the room, but it should be pretty much straightforward when you're doing it outside as well. Just dig in or pin the boundary wire onto the surface. Now let's move on to the pairing of the Optimow S with Android smartphone app. Now let's move to the pairing process, and for that obviously you will need a smartphone, and on the smartphone download the app called Greenworks. You can find it on either Google Play Store or on iOS in the App Store. And also one thing that is very important is a quick guide, because on the other side you'll be able to find the pairing code and the QR code that will allow you to connect that lawnmower with the app. So now let's open the app. Inside you'll be able to log in or create an account and click on this plus button. Here select a robot mower Bluetooth and go for Optimow S. Now this will load and it might take a while. There might be also some network errors since I've encountered them in that application a lot. Let's click on the next. Or actually not next, because right here there's installation process. You can read through that instructions if you like, but we're gonna move straight to the Bluetooth pairing mode. So let's skip that, scroll down, accept, and move to the next. Here it will search for your Optimow S, and to actually enter pairing mode on it, we'll need to open this hatch, and then there's a switch right there that you need to flip to the 1. Close the hatch and let's search again. Here's our robot, we can click on it, move to the next step, pair first time, next, and here we can scan the QR code which is located on the quick guide that I've shown you previously. I'm gonna scan it on my own. then we can click next. Set up the pin code for your lawnmower. And here we have it, our lawnmower is successfully paired with the app. And that's it for this video, hope you like it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.